What is up, you guys? We are back with another video, and yes, another car. This is a 2005 or 6 Nissan Altima. It has 136,000 miles. This is a clean title. I ended up getting this one from Offerup. Some lady sold it to me for she posted it initially for 900. I lowballed her at 600 and she accepted it. Overall, the car has some good tires. Tires are okay. As far as the damage goes, it's a bit extensive. Not on this side, but on the other side. So we did buy the trunk already, the rear bumper and the tail light, and some quarter panel issues right here, which all that could be pulled out, so it shouldn't be that bad. But yeah, I think it was a good deal. It's not a expensive car, so it's not gonna sell for much, but we got it so cheap. I couldn't pass up on this offer. Starts right up. It doesn't have a check engine. I ran the code and it turns out it's a O2 sensor, so we have to get that replaced. That should run us like another $25. Shouldn't be that bad. As far as the interior goes, the interior is not in best condition. Like, it's a little bit faded or whatnot, but no, it's a cheap car. It's meant for you to go from point A to point B. You know, it's not something that you're gonna be trying to put some nice wheels or something like that. Nah, this is probably gonna be somebody's daily. AC works, radio works, it drives smooth. It might need an alignment or whatnot, but I could take care of that, you know, some other day. Right now we're going to put it into the little tent and start working on it. Start removing all the parts that we have to take off. Remove the bumper, remove the tailgate, remove, not the tailgate, I'm sorry, the deck lid, and some of the tail lights that are cracked. Start replacing what we need to replace. And once we get it removed, we'll be able to tell exactly, you know, what more it needs, because it does need a little bit of a frame adjustment, which it shouldn't be that bad, but we have to take a look at it. We have to look at it, inspect it, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty, right here. All right, guys, so we got the trunk open, and as you can see, it is a bit more damaged than what I was expecting, but all of this could be pulled out, so it's not that bad. It's just gonna take a bit of work, you know, some minor adjustments. You know, it's not the best looking car, but we'll get it fixed. Let's start removing parts. All right, guys, so this is all the work I can get done today, but I mean, I really won't be posting much about this car since it's a little quick flip, but this is the damage, so y'all can get an idea of how bad it is. So I guess the quarter panel was pushed in on that side, so we'll have to get that pulled in. But once we get that done, you know, it'll be ready to go. We'll cut that piece off, put a brand new one. All right, guys, so we are on our way to Walmart. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some of the cleaning supply that we need for this Mustang. We're gonna go ahead and clean this engine bay and the interior, start getting it prepped and ready. As many of y'all know, I'm going to go ahead and post this car up for sale. It's a 2015 Mustang GT, 57,000 miles. It is a rebuild title, but I did rebuild this car with all OEM parts. Headlight was OEM, hood, fender, everything in this car is OEM, besides I think the radiator cover. And other than that, you know, everything else on this car is OEM. I am posting it up for $18,000, thinking about $18.50, just to get a quick sale on it. I don't expect to get much from it since it's a rebuild, but I think 18 is a fair price to start at. You know, get lowballed and then eventually, you know, pay, you know, get 16 from it or something like that. But yeah, we're on our way to Walmart. We're gonna go pick up some intake cleaner for it. clean the engine bay, detail the engine bay, clean the interior, clean the exterior probably tomorrow, and probably post it up for sale. And you know, hopefully we could sell it. Luckily, I've been having a lot of luck with my cars. I usually have like a 3-day turnaround. I post them, and then by 3 days they're usually gone. I know this one, it might take a little bit longer, but you know, it's expected. It's it's an expensive car, and it's a higher price than normal. I usually sell $3,000, $4,000 cars, and posting this one for 16 is gonna be a little bit harder for me to sell it. But we'll see, guys. I mean, you know, right now we're gonna go to Walmart. Hopefully it's not busy. Usually there's a line outside. It looks like there's a line. I can't really tell. Yeah, there's a line, man. Yeah, so there's a line all the way outside. Kind of sucks. I didn't want to wait outside, but we did come in here late. It is already 2:41. All right, guys. So the Altima's done. That one's going to go straight into the shop probably Monday, which is probably tomorrow. Tomorrow. So that'll probably be in there tomorrow. As far as the Mustang and the 03 Silverado that I have not seen in the channel yet, I will be introducing that one eventually. That one should be out tomorrow as well. Let me put the air on, because man, it's hot out here. It's 85 degrees, but it feels like 95. Okay, so as far as that goes, you know, the cars are almost done. Everything's done. You know, the Mustang is done, the Altima's done, the Silverado is done. All three of those cars will be posted up for sale as soon as they are fixed, which is what we're waiting on. But my body band has been closed for the past 2 weeks, so all of my cars are literally just sitting in there without being touched. So, you know, it kind of sucks, but I mean, that's what we got to deal with. You know, we have to wait until that's done. But that was just a quick update, guys, of some of the progress I've been doing. I know I haven't uploaded this week, but next week, you know, I should be having some more content in. I also want another car, guys, and I think y'all are gonna love this car. It's gonna be a fun build, not only for me but for y'all. It's a platform that I've never touched before. I usually stick with American cars. I don't like imports. Well, let me rephrase that. I like imports. I just don't like rebuilding them. I feel sketchy about it. I don't have the confidence for it. I could say the bolts are different. Like, there's a whole bunch of different parts that I don't know much about. So, you know, with this car coming in, it's not an American car. So with this car coming in, it's something new for me, something new for the channel. And, you know, once it's here, we'll be able to actually look more into it. I'll be making a video of that car eventually. So, but for now, guys, I hope y'all enjoy the day. I hope y'all are safe out there.